Civil engineering surges as UK house building hits new lows. The UK construction sector is undergoing a significant transformation with growth and decline occurring simultaneously across its subsector. While commercial and civil engineering projects have experienced robust expansion, residential house building is grappling with a steep downturn. November 2024 marked a notable divergence as the S&P Global or GIBS UK construction PMI rose to 55.2, indicating overall sector growth. However, house building continued its decline, driven by high borrowing costs and a lack of consumer confidence. The boom in civil engineering, fueled by renewable energy and infrastructure projects, offers hope for sustained sector growth. Meanwhile, the housing market struggles raise pressing questions about the UK's ability to meet government targets and address an acute housing shortage. The contrasting trends in UK construction. The UK construction sector is experiencing a significant trend contrast. On one hand, robust demand in commercial and civil engineering projects has propelled the industry forward. On the other, the residential construction subsector is witnessing its steepest decline since June 2024. The S&P Global or GIBS construction PMI for November reflects this divide, while the overall PMI climbed to 55.2. House building fell to 47.9, firmly in contraction territory. The number highlights a stark reality. Commercial construction has expanded at its fastest pace since mid-2022, bolstered by the reopening of office space and increased investment in retail infrastructure. Civil engineering similarly has benefited from high-profile renewable energy projects and strong government backing for infrastructure development. In contrast, residential construction struggles have exposed vulnerabilities in the UK housing market. Elevated interest rates have made mortgages less affordable, dampening demand and leaving construction firms wary of initiating new housing projects. Challenge facing the residential construction sector. The decline in residential construction is symptomatic of larger economic pressures. High borrowing costs following successive interest rate hikes have significantly reduced the accessibility of mortgages. Potential homeowners are being priced out of the market, leading to reduced demand for new homes. Consumer confidence has also played a pivotal role in the downturn, with inflation concern persisting and economic growth projections subdued. Many are hesitant to invest in property. Builders are responding cautiously, delaying or scaling down new development in the face of uncertain returns. These factors have not only impacted housing supply but also strained the government's broader housing objective. Residential builders report a slump in a new order, reflecting the hesitation of buyers and the challenge posed by financial constraints. Government housing target at reach. The UK government's ambitious target to build 1.5 million homes by the end of the current parliament is under significant threat. This equates to an annual requirement of 300,000 new homes, a goal that has proven elusive in recent years. The steep decline in house building activity exacerbates this challenge. Estimates suggest that fewer than 221,000 homes were completed in the past year, a shortfall of nearly 80,000 homes against the annual target. Factors such as high borrowing costs, increased material price, and workforce shortage have converged to slow progress. Beyond numerical target, the lack of housing supply has tangible implications for communities across the UK. A constrained housing market fuels rising rents and property price, further alienating first-time buyers and low-income families. If the trend continues, it risks compounding the UK's housing crisis with long-term economic and social repercussions. To address this, the government must consider bold measures, such as expanding incentives for house builders, reforming planning regulation, and introducing target financial support for first-time buyers. Without decisive action, the gap between target and reality may widen, leaving millions without adequate housing options. The broader impact of interest rates on construction. The Bank of England monetary policy decisions have cast a long shadow over the construction sector. After a period of consecutive rate hikes, the recent decision to hold interest rates steady in November brought some relief to the industry. However, the effect of past rate increase continue to reverberate, particularly within the residential construction subsector. Higher borrowing costs have dampened demand for mortgages, directly impacting house building activity. Builders face rising financing expense, making it less economically viable to initiate new projects. Additionally, the uncertainty surrounding future rate cuts has left both developers and buyers in a holding pattern, reluctant to commit until greater stability is evident. In the commercial and civil engineering domains, the impact of interest rates has been less pronounced. Long-term infrastructure investment often rely on public funding or corporate finance structures that are less sensitive to short-term rate fluctuation. However, if borrowing costs remain elevated for an extended period, they could begin to affect this project as well, especially in sectors like renewable energy that require significant upfront capital. The UK construction sector stands at a crossroads with opportunities for growth and challenges to overcome. The commercial and civil engineering subsector are poised to continue their strong performance, sustained by investment in renewable energy infrastructure, urban development projects, and government-led initiatives. These are represent a beacon of stability and growth amidst the broader economic uncertainty. However, the residential construction sector outlook remains uncertain. Builders face ongoing pressures from high material costs, a sluggish housing market, and waning consumer confidence. Thank you.